पैसे कमाना अब सिर्फ साइड हसल नहीं रहा, ये एक फुल टाइम करियर ऑप्शन बन चुका है. बट द ट्रुथ इज, earning online is not about luck or shortcuts. It's about skills, consistency, and choosing the right opportunities. Hello everyone, this is Hazel, and today I'm going to talk about how you can actually start earning money online and build a stable income source. The first and most popular way to earn money online is freelancing. Freelancing allows you to sell your skills to clients worldwide. Skills like content writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, digital marketing, and website development are in a huge demand. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer helps beginners start earning by offering services based on their expertise. Another powerful way to earn online is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and blogging allow you to monetize your knowledge, creativity, and personality. You can earn through brand collaborations, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Content creation may take time to grow, but once your audience builds, it can become a strong long-term income source. Selling digital products is also becoming very popular. You can create ebooks, online course, templates, presets, or guides and sell them online. Digital products require effort initially, but they can generate passive income for a long time. Affiliate marketing is another smart online earning method. In affiliate marketing, you promote products or services using special links and you earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Many creators and marketers use this method to generate consistent income. Online tutoring and skill-based teaching are also great options. If you are good at academics, communication, marketing, design, or any specific skill, you can teach students or professionals online through coaching platforms or personal sessions. However, one important thing to remember is that earning money online requires patience and consistency. Many people give up because results don't come instantly. The online earning world rewards people who continuously learn, experiment, and improve their skills. If you truly want to earn money online, focus on building valuable skills, creating genuine content, and staying consistent with your efforts. Because online income is not built overnight. It is built with strategy and persistence. Yes, if you are looking for an institute that helps you build practical skills along with career support and high-paying job opportunities, I have added a helpful link in the description below. I'm Hazel and I'll see you in the next video.